This is going to be a quick video on how to use the OD2000 with a quick window teach to detect. Here I'm going to be detecting the position of, say, this hockey puck. I'm going to use business cards to offset the height of it. So the purpose of this is going to be that we're going to take puck, put it on 2 business cards, and we should get a high signal. If I put it on 1, I should get a low. And if I put it on 3, then it should be low. So it only should be high with the height of 2 business cards on a black target. The sensor that I'll be using is 6074383. It has a range of 70 to 420 millimeters with a repeatability of 10 microns and a linearity of 100, plus or minus 350. I could do this with a Sopus engineering tool that I have here, just by coming to output evaluation. Got a couple different modes here. I can set each set point, or since I know that I need to be exactly a certain amount from a 0 position, I can just do window with a plus or minus offset. So this is labeled a little bit differently on the sensor itself, but the same functionality. So now we'll come to the sensor, and I'll just go ahead and we'll factory reset the sensor. So I'll push the plus button until it comes to device, and then hit the circle and click the circle again, and it's going to ask me about factory reset. I'll push plus to go to yes, and now it's factory reset. I'll back all the way out everything. So I'll go ahead and just put my targets where I need it now. So I'll put 2 business cards, and I'll put my hockey puck on top of the 2 business cards. Now I'll push the circle, and I'll hit the plus button until I get to Q1 output, and I'll push the circle again. Right now it's on Q1 single point, and I'll see that first I have window SP1, SP2. That's where I can set 2 individual switching points or the window. The next one is window SP1 OB-SB, and this is where we'll be able to put in that plus or minus tolerance. So I'll select that one. Then I'll set my teach point. So the teach point is what I'm referencing right now. This is going to be my for say 0. So I'll just automatically teach that. And if I wanted to fine tune this or dial it in, there is a manual function and I can do it on as well. And I'll push the plus again. I want the active to be high whenever it's within that threshold. So I'll just toggle this to low active whenever it gets out of it. So now you'll see this QINT come on. And then I'll scroll over to hysteresis. I'm going to put the hysteresis of 0. Factory default is 0.5 millimeter or 0.5. And then my tolerance factory is 4 millimeters. I'll go ahead and just I'm going to put that at 0.2 millimeters. Now I can go end, and so right now I've got 2 business cards under it, and that's kind of what I want. So if I put 3, the signal goes off because now it's too high. And if I put 2, now the signal is high because it's at the correct height. And now if I just put 1, the signal goes low because it's at the incorrect height. So 2 business cards will make it come on. And that's it.